Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curly and welcome to my channel. And this video is sponsored by Cream of Nature. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful, vibrant color using their new Pure Honey Hydrating Color Boost Semi-Permanent Hair Color, and how I slayed my curls using their Pure Honey collection. This collection and this hair product works very well together. They were created and designed to work together. So let's get right into some things, baby. Yes, y'all, I had just got my ends bleached. Now my hair is combed out. I came straight from the stylist, came here, had my ends bleached. There's no product in my hair. It's just brushed out. It was brushed out into 2 twists. And then I came straight home to do this video. So I'm just now going to go ahead and separate my hair. Now certain parts of my hair is platinum because I've already had, my ends were previously dyed. So this was just like to get my hair light enough for the color to show. Now, I'm going to be using the Indigo Blue from the Cream of Nature line. That's the color right there. That's how it looks in the packaging. These products you can find at your local beauty supply store. Again, you can find this product line at your local beauty supply store. So the color is a ginger blonde, and that's what color it kind of lifted to. It wouldn't lift any brighter than that. The other parts that were already brown lifted very, very well, but we didn't want to really lose the integrity of my hair, you know, pretty much mess up my curl pattern. So we didn't go any lighter, so we just bleached it to that. You can use Cream of Nature's Ginger Blonde, I believe, because that's what I was going to use when I had planned to do it myself. I just got lazy and I didn't feel like doing that. So let's talk about this color, y'all. So instantly, this color is a very hydrating formula. It also has conditioner mixed in. So as you can see, my hair instantly is starting to look better because, again, I had no product in my hair, no deep conditioning treatment, no nothing. I literally just came straight home. So my hair was already dry. My ends were feeling dry. Everything was crispy, and you know, my ends did take a little hit from the bleach because, again, I did have to bleach my hair, and when you're bleaching your hair, you are causing a strain on your natural hair type. And I have fine hair, so my fine hair is definitely going to need a good deep conditioning treatment after this. So as you can see, but once you notice that when I'm adding this product in, this product is instantly adding some conditioning elements to my hair because my hair starts to feel moisturized. It starts to feel good. My texture starts to look a lot better. It all comes together very, very well. Now, when using this product, you're going to sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. I sat under the dryer for 25 minutes because I have grays on the top of my head. So I was trying to get my grays to blend in with the blue color because I'm old, y'all. You know, for some of you don't know, I am over 30. Won't tell you my exact age because I'll be telling people I'm like 23, 24, you know. Your good sis age stops there, but in reality... I'm going to use the Pure Honey Hair Mask, and I'm going to deep conditioner with this product for 15 to 20 minutes under the dryer. Now, my hair works really, really well sitting in the dryer for 15, 20, even 30 minutes. I just like to use heat because it breaks down the product a lot better into my hair. This product is a thick, creamy product, so it is going to break down, you know, detangle, moisturize, all that good stuff. I find that I'm starting to really like thicker cream products on my hair when it's color treated, because it just I don't know, it just feels a lot better, feels more hydrating versus using thinner products. So that's really it. You could tell it's a treatment. It's just certain things, you know, are a conditioner and certain products are a treatment. So then I'm going to use a plastic cap. Make sure you're getting your ends good, your whole head, the back. I noticed that the back of my head always is a lot more dry, like the middle part of my hair. So I always try to add a lot more to it because for whatever reason I sometimes misses it. Miss it. I don't know why. Just sometimes I just like ignore that little nap part in the back of my head. So the products that I'm going to be using to style my hair is the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator from the Pure Honey collection. And I'm going to use the Breakup Break-In Leave-In Conditioner. And I absolutely love this conditioner because it adds so much moisture and it helps detangle the hair. Then I'm going to use the Edge Control at the ends of my hair to keep everything in place, because I love using the Edge Control just to secure my ends. Now I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner all over and rub that in, moisturize it in. Then I'm going to use the Shrinkage, the Curl Activator, the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. I don't have it in front of me, so I was trying to remember the exact name for it. Okay, so this product is really good at elongating your curls and your coils. I really, really like it. Like, it's really good for twist outs. I use it normally for twist outs because it's really good at retaining length and giving great definition. But so this was my first time using this for perm rods, and as you can see from the results, it did an amazing job on my hair. So I'm just adding that product in. It gave some really good definition. My hair did not feel crispy or anything. It was like a really smooth, silky, gel-like feeling to it. It just feels really good and hydrating, as well as like it adds that extra bit of moisture to your hair. And I'm going to use that Edge Control to secure my ends and keep everything in place. Now, this was after I slept in my hair overnight. The next day, full beat. Yes, girl, slay. We're going with blue and red, and I'm giving you belt collar vibes. Woo! And I got that belt collar online. But so now I'm just going to take everything down. As you can see how the different blues just pop. Now, like I said, get your hair as bright as you can without messing up your hair. You know, it can be a darker blue, it could be a brighter blue, depending on how light you are able to get your hair color. So keep that in mind. And also make sure before you decide to get color that you will take care of your hair. Color is so beautiful, but color is a lot of work. So if you know you're not about to take care of your hair, do not take those risks. But if you know you're going to watch my videos, deep condition your hair, keep it with your protein treatments, all that good stuff, then yes, girl, get color. You don't have to stay in a box with fear. You know, I always recommend going to a professional stylist, but you can also do color jobs at home. But just make sure you follow the directions. You are doing strand tests. That is the main thing. Do a strand test. See how long it takes your hair actually, to take some of this color first before you go bleaching your hair. That's one thing that helped me in the past. Like seeing, and I also noticed that stylists would do with my hair before they bleached my hair. They would see how long it would take the product to lift my hair before they decided just to start processing it. So that's just a good little tip to do. So make sure you do a strand test, and then you also see how healthy your hair is too, because if your hair is not healthy, the color isn't going to look as good either. So keep that in mind. So I'm just using my hands to take the curls down. I'm just rotating it in a way that I like it, separating my curls. It's giving me like a wavy kind of curly kind of look. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick my hair for volume. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the look using the Pure Honey Edge Control. Now a couple things I want to talk about before I finish off my video. When it also comes to color, keep in mind the health of your hair will play a big part in how the color comes out, how the color looks. The porosity of your hair could depend on the color shades that you get from the color. This formula is designed to last up to 4 to 6 shampoos. But again, it will depend on your hair type, your hair texture, how well your hair takes to color. All of this is just very, very important when you're trying to lift your hair to get a certain kind of color. But always keep in mind that the health of your hair comes first, and the color will be beautiful, but never mess up the integrity of your hair. So it will, like I said, as you can see, I have different shades and dimensions of blues in my hair because different parts of my hair took better in a certain time that I needed because I wasn't trying to over process. So some parts are more blue, some parts are lighter blue, and some parts are darker. So all of that plays a big factor. Keep in mind. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.